Here we go, Frank's breaking up this post. You can see all that rust falling off it as we jack into the hole. Big peels of it, look at that. There we go. Oh shit, there's not much of that post left. That's easy, 4 mil thick, 6 mil. That post, we might have to replace that one yet.
There's only 3 steel.
Yeah, there's not much steel left there at all. Okay, we'll keep on going, Frank. Let's see what we can find. As we're breaking the dome out to find out how deep this rust is going, and of course it's blown the dome. As you saw, this is the one that had those cracks in it. 4 cracks. The rust has blown it right away. And by seeing what we've got here, I'll go into the light. Come with me. Okay. There's the side of the steel post. There's the side of the concrete. And that is easy 5 mil thick. No wonder it blew the concrete away. That's not bad for a 3.5 mil steel post. So there can't be much steel on that post anymore. We will see. Hopefully there's enough to hold it together. Then all we have to do is concrete back up. The concrete will support it. Oh, look at that. He's got. That's okay, Frank. I got it.
It doesn't want to sit there.
It's fine. It's fine. Just leave it. Okay, Frankie got a piece out which actually took the rust with it. Look at that. It's just like geology, isn't it? As we find the layers. Okay. That's what's left of a piece of steel if it lays at the ground long enough. Yep. It's a piece of concrete. One of many. That's taking the rust out with it. So as we keep on going, we'll find out how much steel post is left over there. That's what happens when the moisture gets to it. It's all about moisture. Unfortunately, zinc posts do this faster than painted steel posts. The engineers in their wisdom went to galvanizing to try and solve a problem, and it was the wrong way. Galvanizing is definitely the wrong way to go. It would have been better if they started recommending painting with steel posts with epoxy. Lasts a whole lot longer. Because a painted steel post would still be there. All this rust is caused because of the zinc, the galvanizing. That's what's created all this. Painted steel posts, or even black steel posts with no paint at all, don't do this anywhere near as fast as what galvanized posts do. I've known that from experience, because 1/3 of all the posts I replace, if not more, nearly half of all the posts I replace when I'm replacing posts are galvanized ones. And that means they're all under 20 years old. Where the steel posts, the painted steel posts, are mostly over 30 years old. And I don't replace many of those at all. So, yeah. It's all about galvanizing. Out of the ground, fine. 2 feet under the ground, fine. High and low tide level, don't ever leave galvanizing bare without paint. And without a seal. It has to be a paint that seals. Not a oxide or a primer, because that lets water in, just like it does with a car. You can't leave primer on a car for very long because it lets the water in and makes it rust underneath the paint. You have to seal it. There has to be a sealer, so it's got to be an enamel. Just straight household enamel is fine. It's a sealer. That'll do the job. If that's all you have, that's fine. Any oil-based product that is a sealer. Penetrol is a sealer. That's the one we use here. Okay, there's an oil-based, and it's a sealer that will dry on the post and seal it to stop the water from getting to it. and helps convert the rust. But yeah, primers, no fun at all. They're good to treat the post, they're good to put on the post, but if you want it to last any length of time, you've got to put a sealer on it. So that's why we use an enamel in the spray pack. We use the single pack epoxy enamel, or the 2-pack when we've got it available. 2-pack, of course, I've got it 20 litre buckets. I've got a 20 litre tin at home. It's a hassle, and then of course you're always throwing so much away because for small jobs it's hard to mix just a little bit. The single packs are fine. Yeah, so it'll take us a little while to get this one ready. We'll find out in a little while. We may have to replace it yet. We'll see. We'll see how we go. Maybe lucky and just put a few plates up the side. All right, talk again soon. See you guys. Oh, press those buttons. Don't forget the buttons. Okay. Thanks, guys. Talk to you again soon. Bye.